So go to the browser and here type xampp and click on the first link or click on download and download the latest version. So here you can see the latest version is 1. So I will download this one and it will automatically start downloading, but if not, then you can just select this and it will start downloading after a few seconds. And here you can see I have already downloaded it. So let me just go to the file. Here you can see I have downloaded this. Now double click on it. Click OK. And here click next, next and next. And it start installing, right? So click on finish and it will open xampp. So here you can start server, Apache server by clicking start, and you can access it by clicking here admin, or you can go through localhost/dashboard. You have to go to the C drive and then in xampp folder you can see here htdocs. So inside the htdocs, let me just delete all of them, and here I will create a text file. And now you can access it localhost/ the file name. So here you can see this is the test file. Now you can put image here also. So let me create a folder first so that I can access this folder, and let me just copy an image and paste here in this folder. And now if I go to the localhost/ the folder name, then you can see I have a PNG image and here it is. And now you can create another file also. Let's say I want to create HTML file. So let me just create a HTML file here. So let me just create an HTML file here. Here I will say hello from HTML file. And if I go to the browser, you can see if I go to the parent directory, you can see we have an HTML file also. If I click on it, then you can access it. So this is how you can add your text file and everything you want. And this is basically a local server for your PC. This is act as local server